let's get straight into our second exercise. Once again, check out the link in the description for templates to help you complete it. Now that you're clear on your niche, let's start brainstorming Amazon products related to your niche that might be worth promoting. For the rest of the exercises in this section, we'll use the example audience of new business owners that have just secured their first dedicated office space. For our first brainstorming approach, start by listing out your audience's what's or things that people in your niche might want to accomplish. Try and come up with as many as you can. Then, next to each of them, add the words "so that" and complete the sentence. In other words, by achieving the what is the why that is being satisfied? This prompt helps you to link people's needs to the reasons why they need to do them. This will be particularly helpful when making content about your affiliate products, so you can more effectively frame how the product addresses your audience's why in the content you produce. Now, from the table you've just built, research products that can help with addressing your audience's what's, which will subsequently address their whys, and start putting together a list of products. Your list can look as simple as this. If you're finding it difficult coming up with what's for your audience, consider the following prompts. If your audience could wave a magic wand and make a pain point disappear, what would it be? What products could help address that pain point? List them out and research products that could fix them. Instead of thinking about what your audience is running towards, which is all we've focused on so far, what are they running away from? List them out and research products that could help with that. And with that, we should now be building up a nice list of product ideas. We're going to continue to grow out this list with our next exercise. See you there.